Okay, so today we have with us the latest from Noise, the Noise Buds Pop. Let's unbox them and do a quick overview. On the top of the box, we have a picture of the earbuds. On this side, we have a designed in India moniker, which is always a great thing to see. Flipping to the back side, we have the full feature list for the Buds Pop. We have some regulatory information on the bottom and a music everyday branding on the side. Well, enough foreplay. Let me quickly grab my cutter and get right into it. We have a sheet of plastic over the top and then we have two seals at the bottom. That's extremely immaculate packaging. After you cut it open, the box slides out easily. There's this handy pull tab and as you pull it, you're greeted by the Buds Pop themselves. It is sitting really tight in there. Oh, we have another pull tab at the bottom. A pull tab beneath a pull tab. A pull tabception, if you may. Beneath the second pull tab, we have this folder. Let me quickly take it out. Okay, so this folder has a lot of things. First off, we have some different size buds and then we have this Type-C cable. It's a nice short and sweet Type A to Type-C cable. We even have an alcohol swab for disinfecting your new Noise Buds Pop. That's a really nice gesture during the pandemic. Talking of nice gestures, we also have this coupon code for a discount on your next Noise purchase. Let's move all this aside now and focus on the Buds Pop. It's sitting really tight in there. It feels quite dense in hand. I really like that. There's some Noise branding on the front, a Type-C port for charging at the bottom and this reset button at the back. I'm really liking this gunmetal grey color. It has a nice finish to it. Open the lid and you find an arrangement that is very similar to the Apple AirPods Pro. We even have the LED indicator in the same place. My first impressions of the Noise Buds Pop is that the earphones themselves are really light, lighter than I expected. I'm sure that will go a long way in ensuring they are comfortable for longer duration usage. We have the small ear tip pre-installed, but you can swap them out for a different size one if it fits you better. Now, I don't know how clearly you can see this, but we also have this LED indicator on the earbud itself, which seems to indicate that it is in pairing mode. Okay, so now I'm going to use them as my go-to for a couple of days and then come back with a mini review of sorts. Now before diving deep into the quality, let's quickly talk about the basics. The pairing process is really straightforward. In fact, you get this leaflet in the box which takes you through the whole process step by step. The first thing that was a highlight for me was just how comfortable these feel. They're lightweight, so goodbye ear pain, and with the right size buds, it's not loose or wobbly, which means it won't fall off if you run or jog or exercise while wearing them. Even the noise isolation is really good. It managed to block out a lot of vehicular noise when I tested them on a busy street. The Hypersync feature is amazing to have. I switched between my primary Android device, an iPad and a Windows laptop multiple times and it worked fast and flawlessly. I even used some of the gestures and they worked well, although only time will tell how reliable they are in the long-term usage scenario. Let's talk a bit about the audio quality now. Of course, I haven't used these as much, so this is more of an initial overview than an in-depth assessment. First up, the bass is pretty average. It focuses mostly on the mids and skips the lows completely. I noticed that it has a sweet spot between 60% and 80% volume levels. In this volume band, the performance is really good. The highs are handled fairly well and there was no clipping whatsoever. See, the main superpower of the Noise Buds Pop is definitely how well it handles the highs. This makes it an excellent choice for watching content with a lot of vocals and dialogues like movies or YouTube videos and even vocal music. Even the call quality seems to be decent. There's no lag and the noise isolation is kind of a savior when you have to take lots of phone calls in environments with external noise. And that concludes our unboxing and overview of the Noise Buds Pop. They seem to be excellent, especially when you consider the price tag. Let me know in the comment section below if you want any more coverage or if you have any queries about these. Until then, I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, help us back by liking this video, sharing it and subscribing to our channel. This has been Rohan from TechieTechTech and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.